Okay, this is the 23rd Street station on Lexington Avenue 6, southbound platform. The display is under test right now, so I sadly can't give you the full display of how it shows the countdown. Some of the signs are showing just the date and time with the month and the year, and others are showing system test. They're just turning these on, so a lot of them are just getting the information now. So probably within the next few days or so, this should be able to tell you the time the train should be arriving. Now they're trying to roll these out as fast as possible, so that's why some of these stations are still under test, but they are rolling them out pretty fast. To what I heard, a lot of the stations should have them up and running by midsummer, sorry. By midsummer, probably the end of June to July, they should have at least 40 or more stations up and running. Oh wow, and the system just went off here. So like I was saying, some of the stations should be completed by summer, and most should be completed by September, October, maybe even December.